today? Did you brush your teeth?
Apo.
How does the ostrich eat? What's big in the tarsier?
Ay.
Fly, fly, fly ka like the butterfly. What about the itchy ants? What's the capital of Japan?
At.
What's the capital of Scotland?
Ano.
What's the capital of South Korea?
Tol.
What's the capital of Italy?
Nom.
What's the capital of France?
English.
What's the capital of Canada?
Wawawa.
What's the capital of Japan?
Hatak.
What's the capital of the Philippines?
Nanana.
What's the capital of England?
Nanan.
What's the capital of China?
Hindi.
Very good. Clap, clap, clap na tayo for Kobe. Yay! Bye-bye! Bye-bye!